Good morning, my dears. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and happy. Okay, how we will keep our body healthy? We should eat healthy food. It gives us energy and it helps us to grow. So we should eat healthy food in our daily life. We should avoid junk foods because unhealthy food. Examples, chips, burgers, that oil item you should avoid it. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about keeping healthy and clean. Okay, so in our daily life we should eat right amount of food is healthy food we should eat. So okay, we feel healthy means we feel happy, isn't it? If unhealthy means we feel sad because we get sick, isn't it? Okay, so next we are going to see about meals. Meals mean what? Meals means food. So meals in a day, how many times we will eat food in a day? We will eat 3 main time. Okay, morning and afternoon and night. Morning we will have breakfast, okay, and afternoon lunch, and night dinner. These are the main 3 times we should eat the food in a day. Okay, and next some food habits we should follow, then only we keep our body to healthy. See, what are the good food habits? Okay, I will tell you. Always you should wash your hands before and after eating. Always wash your hands before and after eating. Then always you should eat in clean plate. And you should drink clean water. And you should eat fresh food. And you should eat fruits and vegetables in our daily life. Then after eating, you should rinse your mouth regularly. Whatever you eat, after completed the eat, you should rinse your mouth. While eating, you should chew the food. See, you should grind the food with help of your teeth. Better after you swallow the food. These are the good food habits you should follow. And keeping clean. How to keep ourselves to fit? If we should eat healthy food, it's enough to keep our body to fit? No. So we should follow some exercise also. Okay, so some that exercise will help us to keep our body fit. Some outdoor exercise, some indoor exercise we should follow in our daily life. For example, yoga, cycling, swimming, and outdoor games, football, basketball, any type of game we should play. Then only we keep our body fit. After playing, after work, we should need compulsory sleeping. Okay, sleeping also one of the best way to keep our body to healthy. Okay, in a daily life we should eat, we should sleep 8 hours. We should sleep 8 hours. It's need for our health. Okay, so we should sleep 8 hours in a day. After wake up we feel fresh. So sleeping also important and exercise also important. And next we are going to see about keeping clean. We should keep our body clean for stay healthy. Okay, I am going to teach you some ways. First, we should brush our teeth twice in a day. Twice means what? 2 times. Twice means what? 2 times. And after using toilet, we should flush. After using toilet, we should flush the water. And after using toilet, we should wash our hand with soap or hand wash. We should wash our hand with soap or hand wash. And bath regularly. After bathing, we should wear clean clothes. After bathing, we should wear clean clothes and comb your hair regular and put oil also. Then trim your nails weekly once. Okay, trim your nails regularly and put the wastage in the dustbin. Okay, put the wastage in the dustbin. Okay, come on children, let me I show you some PowerPoint presentations for you. Keeping healthy and clean. We should keep our body healthy and clean. We should eat only healthy food because it gives us energy and helps us to grow. We should eat different types of food. Eating the right type of food helps us to stay healthy. And meals in a day. Meals means what children? Meals means food. We should eat food three times in a day. Okay, we eat 3 main meals in a day. Morning breakfast, in afternoon lunch, and night dinner. Meals is the food that we eat at a fixed time every day. Okay, look the picture. We have breakfast in the morning. We should eat without fail breakfast. Okay, see, we should eat only healthy food. And we have lunch in the afternoon. And we have dinner at night. We have dinner at night. Next we are going to see about good food habits. Okay, to stay healthy we should follow some good habits. What are all the habits? Okay, let us see. Always wash your hand before and after meals. Before you are going to eat breakfast or lunch, whatever it is, you should wash your hands before and after. Always eat from a clean plate and always eat fresh, clean and healthy food. Drink only clean water and you should drink more water in a day. Next, eat fruits and vegetables daily because it gives us energy for you and chew your food properly and avoid eating too many junk or oil foods like chips, burgers and chocolate. Please avoid the junk food children because it makes you unhealthy. Never waste food or overeat. You should not eat over food and you should not waste the food also. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Whatever you eat after, you have to rinse your mouth. And next, keeping healthy. Exercise, healthy food, good habits and keeping clean and can help us to stay fit and healthy. Keeping fit and keeping clean. So we should eat healthy food and do the exercise. We have to maintain our body to fit. See the picture. What that boy was doing? He is doing cycling. This is also one of the exercise. Exercise such as yoga and aerobics makes us strong and fit. We should also do outdoor activities like cycling and swimming to stay fit. Outdoor activities, it made us to fit. Okay, look, swimming and yoga. We should also rest after work and play. So we need compulsory rest in a day, isn't it? See, a good sleep for about 8 hours every night is very necessary. How many hours we have to sleep, Kana? 8 hours. EIGHT, 8 hours. A good sleep for about 8 hours every night is very necessary. When we wake up, we feel fresh and energetic. After sleeping, we feel fresh, no? Isn't it? Good. We should get up early in the morning. We should get up early in the morning. Then only we feel fresh. It's a good habit. Sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping also it's necessary for us. Wake up early in the morning. It's good for our health. It's also one of the good habit. Next, keeping clean. We should keep our body clean to stay healthy. Here are some ways to stay clean and healthy. Okay, so keeping clean is very important for our healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day. Morning and night you should brush twice in a day. Okay, brush your teeth twice a day. Twice means 2 times. Okay, TWICE, twice. And flush the toilet after use. Flush the toilet after the use. And wash your hands properly with soap after using the toilet. After you are going to toilet, you should wash your hands with soap or any hand wash, children. And bath daily. Should bath regularly. It will keep our body healthy. Wear clean clothes. After bath, you should wear clean clothes. And comb your hair and oil your hair regularly. It's good for your health. Then trim your nails. Do not bite them. Trim your nails with use of nail cutter. You should not bite your nails, children. Then always throw the garbage into the dustbin. Garbage means what? Garbage means dust. You should put it in the you put the dust in the dustbin. Okay. Okay. Now let us go to summarize the lesson. Food keeps us healthy and helps us to grow. We should keep our body fit. Exercise and sleep keep our body fit. We must follow good habits to stay healthy. In this lesson, what we have learned? Food keeps us to healthy and helps to grow, isn't it? Without food, we can't grow, isn't it, children? Good. So we should keep our body fit. How you will keep our body fit? Because we will do everyday exercise and outdoor activities and good sleep. And exercise and sleep keep our body fit. We must follow good habits to stay. What I said? Bath regularly and brush your teeth twice a day and wash your hands before and after eating. Rinse your mouth. These are all the good habits to stay healthy. Okay. Next we are going to see keywords from this lesson. I am going to tell the keywords, children. You just repeat with me. First one is meal. Meal means what I said? Food. Good. M-E-A-L. Meal. Then good habits. G-O-O-D. Good habits. H-A-B-I-T-S. Good habits. And third one is clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. And fourth one is food. F-O-O-D. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. And next one is eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. And next one is cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. And yoga. Y-O-G-A. Yoga. Y-O-G-A. Yoga. Then sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Meal, good habits, clean, food, eating, cycling, yoga, sleeping. These are all the keywords, children. You should learn the keywords. Now we are going to do the objective type question in your book bag exercise. Take your book, page number 69, children. See objective type questions, fill in the blanks. First one is, we should brush our teeth dash daily. We should brush our teeth dash daily. Once or twice, children? Good. Twice. Write the answer twice. T-W-I-C-E. Twice. T-W-I-C-E. Twice. And next one is, we should sleep for about dash hours in a day. How many hours you have to sleep? 8 or 6? 8. Very good. E-I-G-H-T. 8. We should sleep for about 8 hours in a day. 8. And third one is, dash makes us strong and fit. Cooking or exercise? Good. Exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise makes us strong and fit. And next one is, we dash chew our food properly. We should chew our food properly or we should not chew our food properly? Good. We should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. We should chew for food properly. And fifth one is, we dash get up early in the morning. We should get up early in the morning or we should not get up early in the morning? Good. We should. Should write answer S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. And next one is, complete the concept map. Keeping healthy, keeping fit. First one is, they are given already, exercise. And one more thing, outdoor activity or sleeping. Right answer, sleeping. S-L-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Exercise and sleeping keeps us to fit. Then keeping clean. Write any two keeping clean. Brush our teeth twice in a day. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Brush the teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth twice. T-W-I-C-E. Twice a day. Brush the teeth twice a day. And next one is bath. B-A-T-H-E. Bath regularly. R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Regularly. See, exercise and sleeping, keeping our body to fit. And keeping clean, brush the teeth twice a day. Twice means how many times? 2 times. And bath regularly. Okay. Take next page. Answer in one word. An outdoor game, cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Or whatever you like, you should write. Football, basketball, any games you should write. Okay. Cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. And you should take bath weekly or daily? Good. Daily. D-A-I-L-Y. Why? Daily. We should take bath daily. And food that we eat at fixed time each day. How many time? 3 time. How many time? 3 time. Food that we eat at a fixed time each day. 3 time. How many time? 3 time. Okay, children, do the book back exercise. Okay, in this class we learn about healthy food, good food habits, and keeping fit and keeping clean. Okay, children, we will meet you in the next class with new topic. Bye bye.